Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yesterday, Google and Nvidia pumped, which is amazing, and Bitcoin pumped. My Bitcoin trades massively in profits. My Google and Nvidia trades also growing huge, which is perfect. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Learn from me, watch my videos. I've been making them 6 years now every day. Try to understand what I'm doing, try to learn. You have to make your own decisions. I don't want you to just copy me. I want you to understand what I'm doing, try to learn from me and make your own decisions. If you make money from me, I want you to hire social media marketers, push messages of peace and anti-war. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My Bitcoin trade, $5,700 in profits. It's about 1 day old. Or you can see where I sold Bitcoin, bought Bitcoin at 107, sold it at 110. I've had a lot of profitable trades recently, which is beautiful. Almost all of them. Sold at 110, bought at 106, and at 108. And now we went up to 112, now sitting at 110. Went to 112 last night. These trades are now 2 days old. Then came down to 109, sitting at 110, 111. Funding fee has gone positive. My trade is $5,700 in the profits after 2 days, which is beautiful. I used $131 to make $5,700, which is perfect. It's now a 2.5 Bitcoin trade, so it's a $271,000 trade. Over on WeX, the trade also activated. It came down and activated at 100 and Mark entered at 107. Now we're at 111, and that's $675 in profit. So both of the trades on WeX and Bybit activating, and the ones I had set and now in profits, which is beautiful. Also yesterday, Google and Nvidia. Google was up 2.6%. Google is now, since we've been buying Google is now up. Since we've been buying Google is now up 80% since the April tariff lows when we bought it in April on the day. 80%, which is beautiful. And it looks like a bull flag. Stochastic is turning up. Bitcoin indicator bot, you get it at and the Guru bot, you get at jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot is a buy. Crypto Guru bot, Bitcoin indicator bot, Guru bot is a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy off the bottom, and it's still a buy now, hasn't fired a sell. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, it's firing often, so you got to use it as just one of the indicators. But you can see it's pushing out, and it looks like a bit of a bull flag in my opinion. Pole and flag, and if this goes, the target of this bull flag would be 348. And Nvidia up 2.2% as well. Since we bought Nvidia, it is now up 113% off the bottom, which is beautiful. We're at major resistance right now on Nvidia. I'm still holding Nvidia. Stochastic on the daily is oversold heading up, which is a very good sign. On the 4-hourly, it's overbought. On the weekly, it's midway, a bit overbought, but back into the not overbought territory. Without much of a correction, which is amazing. Up both of those 2%. Bitcoin on the weekly, where it's still in a rising wedge, so we have to be careful, but it is turning up from exactly that support where we were buying. Stochastic is turning up on Bitcoin. Squeeze Mob is trying to turn red. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired from 20,000. It's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at 124 about 12 weeks ago and hasn't fired a buy yet, which is interesting. Stochastic is turning up, and I'm currently in a long. If I have where I would take longs now, let's see if this symmetrical triangle, you can see it's a little bit more of a, it's a symmetrical triangle, but it's a little bit leaning up. And if this breaks out, the target would be the base of the triangle. And this was my pattern, my target that I'm targeting. And if this breaks out, target base of the triangle, target would be 123K for Bitcoin. So I opened at 106. If you haven't opened a trade yet, I would pull it to 108, tight stop loss. I would take a trade from 108 and take profit at 126. Risk to reward 11 times 1,500 to make 17,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 170,000. And it looks like a symmetrical triangle. On the daily, it's heading up. On the 4 hourly, it's heading up. On the hourly, also slowly just climbing. That's the bigger pattern, this symmetrical triangle. Let's see if it breaks out, and it looks like it's getting ready to break out to the upside. We've got 1 day left. Or today it might actually break out. Today might be the breakout day for Bitcoin. Target would be 124, which would be amazing. And again, I'm on trades on WeX, $688 in profits. WeX is KYC free private exchange. Bitcoin, this one 5,900 profits on Bybit. And join us in the Telegram. There's 191 of you online, people discussing, people sharing trades, sharing charts, sharing plain pictures. You can join them in there. 191 online right now, talking together. All the links are underneath the video. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange I trade, lowest fees, great liquidity. WeX is KYC free worldwide exchange, so private exchange, KYC, anyone in the world can use it. $200 sign up bonus and KYC free. And join the free Telegram. There's 9,000 traders inside the Telegram. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. You can see some people's comments from me, and you can find all of these bots and everything at jamescryptoguru.com. The link is in the description. And over on X, I've got 110,100 followers. Multiple trades on Bitcoin activated 1 day ago, all in profits. This is when I posted it 2 days ago. Doji candle on the 4 hourly Bitcoin, taking the long. For everyone asking, bots are on the website. And then it added more to the long, and it's just been heading up. Digital ID must be scrapped. We don't want it. We don't need it. We didn't vote for it. Please to sign this important letter. They're trying to push a digital ID through the UK government, which is a totalitarian system. Make sure you fight against it. That's my updates on the market, everyone. And we made great gains yesterday in pre-market. And be careful, people using my face, scamming. It's terrible. I'll never ask you for money. Talking to me if you're talking to me in messages, someone's scamming. So be very careful, everyone. That's my updates in the market. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Congratulations on the gain. Tesla on Google, Nvidia, Bitcoin. This year we've been trading on fire. We're protecting our capital. I'm mainly in Google and Nvidia. I haven't opened a Tesla position. It dropped down, and I'm doing 4 hourly Bitcoin trades. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.